Good morning, friends. It's Miss Tori. Happy Monday. This week we are learning all about birds. So to start off our Bird Week theme, we are going to read this book called There's a Bird on Your Head. See the birdie up on the elephant's head? All right, let's begin. Piggy. Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. 1, 2. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. They're lovebirds. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know that they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2. 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. There they go. The eggs are hatching. We're about to see some baby birds, friends. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. There's 1, 2, 3 baby birds. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. Oops, I skipped a page. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Uh-oh. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Yes, ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. And they went over to Piggy's head. What a silly book, friends. All right, I hope you enjoyed this book about birds and building nests. We will be building our own nest tomorrow. All right, have a great night. Bye-bye. Mwah.